The engine light on our Araceli 2019 Chevy Impala was always on. The dealership cleared codes, replaced parts, but it just kept coming back. With our help, Chevy was forced to give her every single penny back. Here's exactly how we did this, and how you could also get the same result. The Chevy Impala has been an American icon since 1958. Over 60 years of sedans that defined what a full-size car should be. Araceli bought her 2019 Impala certified pre-owned in California. Certified pre-owned means Chevy inspected it, approved it, and backed it with a manufacturer's warranty. That CPO stamp of approval is supposed to mean something. It's Chevy telling you this vehicle has been vetted and you can trust it. She thought she was making a smart purchase, but within months, the check engine light came on and it never went away. The check engine light on her Chevy Impala stayed on no matter what she did. She couldn't pass her emissions tests, which meant she couldn't renew her registration. She was afraid to drive it far from home because she had no idea what was actually wrong under the hood. She brought it to the dealership. They ran diagnostics, found codes for the evaporative emission system, replaced the purge solenoid, and ran multiple tests. Their repair order said, purge solenoid replaced, codes cleared, vehicle verified operational. Here's what that really means. We replaced the part the code pointed to and cleared the computer. Codes cleared is key. It resets the check engine light, which makes it look fixed at the moment of pickup. But if the underlying cause isn't the solenoid, that light is coming right back. And it did. Weeks later, the check engine light came back on. They tried smoke tests, new parts, more diagnostics on her 2019 Impala. Nothing worked. Meanwhile, Araceli couldn't register her car. In California, you can't pass smog with a check engine light on. And you can't renew registration without passing smog. She was paying for a Chevy Impala she might not legally be able to drive. That's not a car problem anymore. That's a life problem. Here's something CPO buyers need to know about California's lemon law. Certified pre-owned vehicles are covered, as long as the defect appears while the manufacturer's warranty is still in effect. A lot of people think the lemon law only applies to brand new cars. That's not true. If your CPO vehicle came with a warranty and the problem started during that warranty period, you have the same rights as a new car buyer. Chevy certification didn't protect Araceli, but the lemon law did. Her 2019 Chevy Impala qualified because it was under warranty. When the same problem keeps coming back, that's not bad luck. That's a lemon. When Araceli reached out to us, we reviewed her repair records, built her lemon law case, and helped her file a claim against Chevy. The results? A full buyback, including the down payment, monthly payments, taxes, interest, and even the registration fees. The best part is she didn't pay anything out of pocket. All she gave us in return was a 5-star review. Under California Civil Code Section 1794D, the manufacturer, not you, must pay for your attorney fees. That's how we've helped thousands of California drivers, just like you, get their money back without paying a penny. If you think your car is a lemon, give us a call right now or tap the link in our bio to use our free compensation calculator and find out how much money we could get for you in less than 30 seconds.